July monthly forecast for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. We're starting with the average temperature over a layer of the atmosphere. The orange representing warmth and heat, the blue cooler air. The big heat dome in place to start the month will ease for the second week of July. A lot of the country, though, you notice well into the oranges through the month of July, with another ridge that builds out over the west towards the second half of the month, with cooler shots of air coming into portions of central Canada and dipping into the Great Lakes at times. We are on the cusp of that sometimes towards the second half of the month, with disturbances coming in right on the boundary, you notice, of some cooler air that will position just to our north. That battle zone setting up multiple chances for thunderstorms as we head towards the middle and end of the month as well. So the temperature outlook above average for much of the country. The only spots may be the far Pacific Northwest and also portions of the Midwest, which may see near normal temperatures. I do think New England on average ends above average, though the second half of the month will be cooler, relatively speaking, compared to the real extreme heat we had to kick off the month of July. For reference, average high temperatures in Boston, 82.1 for the month, and the overnight lows in the mid-60s. Now, jet stream steers our storms and brings disturbances in. And what you notice is that big ridge to start the month starts to ease. Again, that second week of July, a more zonal flow, meaning west to east. Fast-moving disturbances, still multiple ones nearby across to northeast. Through the middle and end of the month, you notice every few days we get a disturbance that comes in. So it will be coming down to a matter of timing out thunderstorms in the heat and humidity that's in place. You do notice towards the middle of the month, as that ridge builds out west, we do get a little dip in the jet stream that comes in across the Midwest and the Northeast that will promote a round of thunderstorms kind of each afternoon. Classic summer pattern. So I do think a lot of the country ends up near normal for precipitation. With some monsoonal flow, we may end up above average in portions of the desert Southwest, a little drier and below normal in portions of far northern Midwest areas. Now, here's the thing. If you're underneath a thunderstorm, you could get 1, 2, 3+ inches of rain in one thunderstorm event. So the average precipitation for Boston for July is 3.27 inches. I'm putting us near normal for precipitation. We may end up actually slightly below normal in northern New England, but we could use some rainfall. It will come down to where the thunderstorms set up when they crop up, particularly towards the middle and end of the month. You can, of course, track it all, including the 2-week feels like forecast. Super helpful this time of the year. And that's included in all of our membership levels. 4 levels to choose from. Details are at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. We are so appreciative of your continued support. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside Weather.